Tired of manually entering the same rent or subscription every month? Automate it in under 2 minutes with Zoho Books. I'll walk you through setting up a recurring expense from scratch, covering frequency, accounts, taxes, and vendors. Open Zoho Books to get into the dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Recurring Expense to begin setting up a new recurring expense. First, type a profile name for this expense, like monthly rent. Now, click on the Head Office field to select the location. For example, you can choose Head Office from the dropdown. Click on Week to open the repeat frequency options, then select a frequency like every 2 weeks. Alternatively, click on 2 months to set it to repeat every 2 months. Now, select a start date for the recurring expense. For example, click on July 19th to set it as the start. Then, select an end date, like clicking on the 31st. Or, if you prefer no end date, click on Never Expires. Click on Never Expires. Click on Select an Account and choose the expense account, such as Advertising and Marketing. Click on Advertising and Marketing. Type the amount for the expense. Then, select a tax preference. For instance, click on Tax Inclusive. Or, if needed, you can choose Tax Exclusive instead. Click on Select an Account again and choose the Paid Through account, like Petty Cash. Click on Petty Cash. Now click on Vendor and choose a vendor from the list. Click on Bobby AI. Type any notes you want to include for this expense. Then click on Customer Name to assign it to a customer. Click on Acme Solution. Finally, click on Save to create the recurring expense. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.